Hi guys, so today we're going to look at a very quick concept here. I want us to look at how we came about this keep change flip. So we have this fraction divided by a fraction. So let me rewrite this fraction as 3 over 5, and then all over 2 over 7. This is the same, and when you look at this one, you realize that this is a little bit too much. So the mathematician said, okay, here we want to turn this into 1. Okay, so we are rationalizing here. So we are multiplying by 8 inverse. We get here 7 over 2, and we have to repeat the same thing up here so that we don't cause any change to the original question. 7 over 2, and then we get 3 times 7 over 5 times 2. Here we got 2 times 7 over 7 times 2. Here we got 21 over 10 all over 14 over 14 equals to 21 over 10. A number divided by itself is 1. So that means in return we are getting this answer as a result. So through the process, realize that the denominator here, or it was some sort of rationalization that tends to bring us 1. So it wasn't actually needed. And in the process, what we realize is that the first fraction that they gave it to us as the original was kept, and the division came multiplication, and the second fraction was flipped. That's how we got the KCF, and it kind of works for almost all fractions. Anytime you have fraction divided by a fraction, what is happening is that you're keeping the first fraction, the division is turning into multiplication, and you're flipping the second one, and that gives you the answer. All divided by C over D. We keep the first fraction, and then the division change to become multiplication, and we flip the second fraction to become D over C, and in turn then you get A D over B C, and it always work. Now let's use calculator to verify. Okay, so the TID for there's 2 ways of doing that. So I will use, make sure you use the parentheses here, and you type your 3 divided by 5, you close it, you divide it again, and you bring the parentheses again, 2 divided by 7, close it, and you enter, get 2.5. Now you have to convert it back to fractions, so you go to MEV here, and you see the option 1. So option 1, which is fraction, and you enter, and then it will bring you back to that, which is 21 over 10. That's what we got from our previous when we're doing it without the calculator. There's another way that you can also do it, which give you fraction right away, the half, and you go to the y, you pick the first option, and you type your 3 over 5, push it here, and it's division. Just use the division, and then you go to the half, y again, pick the first, and then you type your 2 divided by 7, and you enter, and it give you the 21 over 10, which was the answer that we got. So the keep change flips really work. Yeah, it always work. Please, thank you for watching my video. If today is your first time, please subscribe, like it, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.